Hey guys, so I think we are in a good position to start looking at problems and applications of binary search. So we understand the framework of binary search pretty well now. What are the things to keep in mind when you are trying to solve a question using binary search? We basically said that you should come up with some predicate and some ordering of the search space such that you get an F star, T star, and the last F or the first T solves the original problem for you. That's basically the way to go about thinking when you are given a problem that potentially involves binary search. There are broadly two categories of problems that binary search will be generally used to solve, and we will discuss both of them one by one. The first category of problems is what I call explicit searching. So in these category of problems, you will see that the problem itself mentions that you have to find something in some sequence with some property. So you will be given a problem of the type, find an item with this and this property in this search space. So typically binary search is the way to go about it. And the second category of problems, which is a little more non-intuitive than the first, are optimization problems that can be solved using binary search. So those problems we will start looking at them. But typically, if you have to minimize or maximize a certain quantity under certain constraints, then also you can use binary search. And we will look at a class of problems of that type as well. So broadly, these are the two types of or two categories of problems where you can apply binary search. Today, we want to focus on the first category. So problems wherein the problem statement explicitly gives you an explicit search. So let's begin. We will look at a couple of problems to drive home the key ideas.